So as you can see, I went ahead and did some of her hair because the camera died and I didn't want her hair to get too dry. I've already made my part here, and I'm just going to take a little bit of organic shea butter. You can take whatever shea butter you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be organic. And I just put that on the root of her hair and then on the ends of her hair, and then take the excess and run it through. Then I just take my comb and I just comb it out, and her hair is really easy to comb. And then I'm just gonna start twisting. You just take two pieces like that, and you start twisting. I like to take the comb at the ends and just comb it one more time to make sure I'm getting all the hair, and just finish that off. And since her hair is curly, I just take it at the ends and I just twist it around my finger, and that's it. So now I'm just gonna finish up her hair. Also guys, when you're combing hair, you want to make sure you do start at the bottom of the hair to comb, just so you're not ripping the hair or damaging the hair. Also, let me just say, like, if the hair does get a little dry, you can damp it with a spray bottle. That's what I do. I just take a spray bottle and damp it a little bit. And then I go ahead and go in with my shea butter again. Also guys, the parts do not need to be super duper straight because you want this to look natural. I mean, this is her natural hair. Nobody's going to be in her head like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So I know these aren't even, but once her hair is down, up, or anything, that you won't even see all that. I want this to look as natural as possible. It's a natural hair and she's a kid, so. To her edges, I just take a little mini brush and swoop them all together.